Already at an intermediate level in French? Bravo. But still not ready for acing the TEF Canada exam? Good news! We have the perfect solution, introducing the TEF Canada Exam Practice Program. A program specially designed for last month exam preparation, so you can revise, practice, strategize, and succeed. Access recorded French grammar revision sessions and key revision documents for self-paced learning, perfect for a quick yet effective review of important French topics. Watch in-depth discussion videos on each section of the TEF Canada exam. Learn insider techniques, essential vocabulary, and powerful exam tips to maximize your score. Feeling nervous about exam day? You're not alone. That's why we offer multiple full-length exam simulations. Get a genuine exam experience without the pressure. Identify your strengths and weaknesses before the real test. Improve your time management and boost your confidence. And here's the best part. After completing all simulations, you'll get a one-on-one feedback session with our expert trainers. Get personalized feedback, expert strategies, and tailored advice to help you fine-tune your preparation. Know exactly what to improve for a higher TEF Canada score. No more second-guessing, no more uncertainty. Your success in the TEF Canada exam starts now. Join the TEF Canada exam practice program at bbarters today. Visit bbarters.com to enroll.